I'm new and a software engineer in CGI's Pittsburgh office. My mornings usually start with matcha, which I make with my own bamboo whisk and almond milk when I have time. Once I get to the office, I check my email, calendar, and Teams messages, then catch up with my coworkers before diving into the day's work. Right now, I'm part of a proof of concept project that helps a global banking institution ensure the data their customers see is accurate and easy to understand. Essentially, we're building tools to identify and remove bad data before it reaches the client so they can make better decisions with the right information. I've been learning to use Databricks and Power BI and recently started exploring graph databases to visualize data connections more clearly. I usually have lunch with my cohort or other software engineers in the office that day. And if there's time, we play games too. After lunch, I join project meetings or training sessions. I'm currently training in ServiceNow, which focuses on streamlining business process like IT and HR. What I love most about CGI is how collaborative the environment is. Being surrounded by people who are willing to share their knowledge and help me grow has made such a difference. Whether it's learning new tools, working on AI and data projects, or just connecting over lunch, there's always an opportunity to learn something new.
If there's one piece of advice I can give to anyone starting out, it's this: never stop learning and always be curious.